Here's the 2000 Sea Ray 400 sedan bridge on the outside. You can see it's got a nice electric davit on the back. Nice big cockpit. And it's a very attractive, stylish boat. And it's in very good condition. It's been freshwater kept. And here it is from the front. It's got a full canvas enclosure on the flybridge and a full canvas enclosure around the cockpit. That combined with the lower helm make it a great Northwest boater's boat. And it's got a generator and electronics, navigation electronics. We're going to take a walk through on a Sea Ray 400 sedan bridge. It's a year 2000. So stepping into the salon, we've got seating on both the port and starboard sides. It's very comfortable. And this boat has a lower helm, which is a huge benefit for cruising in the Northwest where the weather isn't always great. You step down into the galley, which is a very nice galley. We'll take a look at it from this angle over here. And a little further forward to port, we have the guest stateroom with two nice small berths and some storage space behind the mirror there. A little bit further forward to port is the guest head. It's a good size head with a separate shower stall. And in the front of the boat we have the master stateroom. It's a V berth. It's actually quite a bit of storage in here, under the bed and in the walls on both sides. And on the starboard side here we have the master head. Again, has a separate shower stall. It's a good sized head. Now we're going to walk up to the flybridge on this 400 sedan bridge Sea Ray. You can see there's a door here to keep it private when you're away from the boat. Just open that up. And here's the upper helm. Got access to all the navigation electronics and great visibility around the boat. And this sun pad back here converts into a dinette. That middle section comes out and raises into a table.